Okay, shall we go to next question then? Yenali, your first answer is correct. Second one, part B, work out an estimate for the total weight of these 20 rugby players. Read it clearly. It's not the mean, only the total weight. Estimate the mean means we need to find the average or the mean. This is only for total weight. We do the same way, but we only do part of the mean. We don't find it till the mean. We only find the total of data. Sum of all the data, that part only. So when it comes to continuous data, mean equation is like this. I will write it here. Mean is equal sum of all fx values divided by sum of all f values. Fx, f and the symbol means add all. It's like a command, sum of all these values. F represents the frequency, x is this weight. But when we multiply these two, fx is like f times x, multiply f and x. Now if I consider weight as x, then 3 times what should I multiply? This is a class interval, no, there's no exact value to multiply. So we need to add one more column here for x. That is for the weight. Now since we don't know their weights one by one, we get the middle value of these class intervals. Mid value. That is x. X is in kilograms. It's the same weight. We get it from this first column. Add the two boundaries and divide it by 2. 80 and 90. It's also average, no? Average of two class boundaries. 80 is the lower boundary, 90 is the upper boundary. Add them and divide it by 2. Only for the first one, I'll write the work in 80 plus 90 divide by 2. So likewise, we need to fill this mid value, that is x. Then we have f and x. Meaning of this formula is multiply f and x together. So we need one more column to show this multiplication. Fx. #80 plus 90 divided by 2. 85, the middle value of the class interval. Next one, 90 and 100, middle value is 95. 105, 115, 125. Then multiply frequencies and these x values times them. And write it here, 85 times 3. 255, 95 times 5, 475, 7 times 105, 735, 4 times 115, 460, 1 times 125, 125. Sigma F, add all the frequencies. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 1 is 20. Then add all these fx values. Last column addition. 255 plus 475 plus 735 plus 460 plus 125, 2050. Now the meaning of this fx multiplying and finding how many are there in the range or what are their total weights. 80 to 90 in the first class interval, there are 3 rugby players. Their weights are in 80 to 90. But we don't know one by one. So we thought all of these 3 are having 85 kilograms. This is an estimate, not the real weight. We thought all of these 3 rugby players are 85 kilograms. Now there are 3 players now. So their total weight is 255. Like that, we found the total weights in each class. Finally, we got the total weight of all of these 20 rugby players. This is not the exact value. Estimate weight. Estimate total weight of all rugby players is 20,050. Not 20,000, 2,050 kilograms. So that is the answer for this part B. They haven't asked to find the mean. Only the total weight. Answer is 2050 kilograms. We'll see Enali's answer. Yes, correct. Then if they ask to find, estimate the mean weight of these 20 rugby players. I will let a question like C, write in a side. Estimate the mean weight of these 20 rugby players. Then we need to add this formula. Mean is equal sigma fx, this frequency, sum of all those fx values, divide by 20. This is the estimate mean. We can find an estimate answer, rough answer for weight of one rugby player. 102.5. 102.5 kilograms. This is the mean. So is it okay? Did you understand the difference between estimate the total weight and the mean? They are two different questions, not the same mean. So write this formula, mean equals sigma fx over sigma f. We use this to find the mean when the data are given in a table format. This kind of questions, not the previous type. Remember the table, you have to add 2 more columns. Total marks for this question is 4 marks. 1 mark for writing the model class, 3 marks for writing the find in the estimate, the total weight. Second question, the table shows the diameters in kilometers of 5 planets. Which of these planets has the smallest diameter? All are given in scientific notation. 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 5. From these ones, select the lowest power. Lowest power is 10 to the power 3. So that is mass. They ask in which of these planets. If you write 6.8 times 10 to the power 3 as the answer, you don't get this 1 mark. If it's 2 marks, they can allocate 1 mark if you have written only this without the planet. Since it is 1 mark, you don't get marks if you write 6.8 into 10 to the power 3. Answer should be mass, only the name of the planet. They give marks only for this one. Yenali's answer correct. Calculate the difference in kilometers between the diameter of Saturn and the diameter of Neptune. Diameter of Saturn. Saturn is 1.2 into 10 to the power 5. Then diameter of Venus, Neptune. Neptune is 5 into 10 to the power 4. Neptune 5 into 10 to the power 4. Saturn 1.2 into 10 to the power, I couldn't remember the power. Yenali, what's the power?
Teacher, right now I don't have the paper with me.
No. It is 10 to the power 5. Calculate the difference. So when we are finding the difference, usually what we do, highest number minus lowest number. So highest one is this 1.2 into 10 to the power 5. That's power 5. No? Lowest one is 5.0 into 10 to the power 4. Now when we subtract, we'll convert them into ordinary form or write both numbers with equal powers, with the same power. This is 10 to the power 5, this is 10 to the power 4. So we can't subtract if the powers are different. We'll make them same. So I can write this 1.2 as 12 into 10 to the power 4. I multiplied by 10. I moved this decimal point. Then one power is came out. No? Then it's 10 to the power 4. Minus 5 into 10 to the power 4. Now both are having same power. So I can subtract. 12 minus 5 is 7. So 7 into 10 to the power 4. Write the final answer in standard form. If not, convert all these two numbers into ordinary form. 1.2 into 10 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 5 with 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then subtract it. 0, 0, 0, 0. 12 minus 5 is 7. Then again turn it into standard form. Both ways are okay. Yenali's answer is correct. So in this one, 2 marks are given. 1 mark is only if you have written the answer 70,000 without converting it into standard form. For this 70,000 1 mark, the final answer 1 mark, altogether 2. The diameter of the moon is 3.5 into 10 to the power 3. The diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 6. Calculate the ratio of the diameter of the moon to the diameter of the sun. Ratios. Moon is to sun. Diameter of the moon is 3.5 into 10 to the power 3. Diameter of the sun is 1.4 into 10 to the power 6. Now, when we are writing answers as ratios, we have to simplify it. No? So, we'll simplify. 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 6. So, I can cancel 10 to the power 3 or divide both sides by 10 to the power 3. This is 3.5, 1.4 into 10 to the power 3. Then I can divide both sides by 7 also. This is 35, this is like 14. Both are divisible by 7. 0.5 is to 0.2 into 10 to the power 3. Now this is 0.5. Other side I can write in normal way, ordinary form. 2, 1, 2, 3. 200. We don't keep the answers in decimal form. When we are simplifying ratios, we have to convert into a whole number. To remove this decimal point, I will multiply by 10. 5 is to multiply other side also. These are like the fractions. If we do something for one term, we have to do the same thing for the other term also. 2000. Still we can simplify, divide both sides by 5. 1 is to 400. See this? Give the answer in the form 1 is to 9. Automatically it came 1 this side. So luckily answer is 400. N is equal to 400 and give the answer in this form. So in the blank here write 1 is to 400, not only 400. This is how we simplifying ratio questions. Write them in the order they ask. Diameter of moon is to sun, not sun is to moon. Then simplify slowly. When you are dividing, you have to find a number which can divide both sides, not only one side. Divide all the terms in the ratio by a common number and simplify. Simplest form means we don't write the answer as decimals or fractions. Simplest form is in whole numbers. Correct. Linaya, did you do this question?
Yes, teacher.
Is it correct?
Yes, I got 1 to 400.
We do the... you didn't do, no? Now, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Next one is from lesson polygons. Work out the size of an exterior angle of a regular polygon with 8 sides. Polygons means shapes bounded by straight lines. Closed shape, not open ones. All the boundaries are straight lines, no any arcs or curves. So depend on the number of sides, they have their names. If there's only 3 sides, that's the smallest number of sides they can have, it is a triangle. So 4-sided polygon is quadrilateral, 5-sided pentagon, 6 sides hexagon. Likewise it goes. So the smallest one is having 3 sides, name is triangle. Smallest polygon. 4 sides quadrilateral. 5 sides pentagon. 6 sides hexagon. 7 sides heptagon. 8 sides octagon. 9 sides nonagon. 10 sides decagon. Only up to 10 is enough. Then if it's there 12 sides, they will mention it like this way. Work out the size of an exterior angle of a regular polygon with 12 sides. Like that. Then we know the number of sides. This also given like that. They haven't given it as octagon. They straight away given the number of sides. Now we should know the meaning of regular polygons. Now all of these triangles, all these ones are polygons. Regular means all the sides and angles are equal. Not only sides, not only angles. Angles and sides are same. If I come to this triangle, there are 3 sides and 3 angles. If all 3 sides are same and all 3 sides are equal, we call the triangle as an equilateral triangle. So this is the regular one. Regular polygon with 3 sides is equilateral triangle. Then we have 2 other types, isosceles triangles, scalene triangles, and another 3 types depend on the angles: acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. So that is depend on the size of the angle and depend on the size of the length of sides, equilateral, isosceles and scalene. So equilateral triangle is the regular one. Then quadrilaterals also, we have so many quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means having 4 sides: square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, height, rhombus. All are having 4 sides. But square is regular. Square having equal sides and equal angles. One angle is 90 degrees in a square. Equilateral triangle, one angle is 60 degrees. Interior angle, not exterior. Then pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Regular polygons name starts with the word regular. Regular pentagon. Regular hexagon. Regular heptagon. Regular octagon. Regular nonagon. Regular decagon, like that. Only triangle and quadrilateral special terms we are using: equilateral triangle and square. All the others, we add the word regular to the name. So you should know the meaning of regular. Regular means all interior angles same, exterior angles same, sides also same. Now this third question, they are talking about a regular polygon with 8 sides. So all 8 sides are equal. All 8 interior angles are equal. All 8 exterior angles also same. Find exterior angle, not the interior. And another important point is, any polygon, whether it's a triangle or a polygon with 100 sides, sum of exterior angles is 360. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon, whether it is regular or not, (360°). And to find the sum of interior angles, we have a formula. Sum of interior angles of a polygon. We don't have any exact value like this 360. We have a formula that is n minus 2 into 180. Here n means number of sides. If there are 3 sides, then this is 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 times 180 is 180 degrees. That's why sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. So we can use it for any polygon. Now this is about exterior angles. We need this 360 value, this one. We should know this. Number of sides, the value of n is given 8. Now since all of these exterior and interior angles are same, we can find one exterior angle. This is for only regular polygons. Regular polygons, one exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles means 360. I will write it in numbers. No need to write in words, no. 360 divided by n, number of sides. Then here, number of sides is 8. 360 divided by 8. (45°) exterior angle. Then if they ask to find the interior angle, if I draw this polygon, it's like this way. Anyhow, 8 sides should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No? Can't I add the polygon from this? 8 sides one is not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Then if I produce one side like that way, this is the interior angle. And this is the exterior angle. Interior and exterior both are on the same line. Here. So we have a basic theorem in geometry. Angles in a straight line is add up to 180. So we can use it here. Interior angle and exterior angle both are on the same line. So interior angle plus exterior angle also add up to 180. Interior angle plus exterior angle equal to 180. This is for any polygon, whether it's regular or not, it's applicable for any polygon. Now in the question they ask only to find exterior angle, that's okay. If they ask to find the interior angle also, we can use this one. Interior angle, if I take it as x, exterior angle is 45 equal 180. Then this interior one is 180 minus 45. This is to find interior angle. 180 minus 45. 135. So remember the method. We need to know number of sides and the sum of exterior angles, this one. Then find one exterior angle. From that, find what is the interior angle. Write the note in a side if you want. So in this question, answer is 45. So this is additional thing, interior angle. Two marks only for that. Fourth one, simplify laws of indices. They are having the same base and its division, subtract the powers. 12 minus 4, that is 8. C to the power 8. Simplify, this is power of a power. Multiply the powers. 3 times 4, x to the power 12. 1 mark for each. There's no any half marks for these kind of questions. If you write only 8 and 12, you don't get marks. You have to write them in index form. C to the power 8 and x to the power 12. Expand and simplify. Expand means remove the bracket. Multiply out. 4 times 2x, 8x. 4 times minus 3y minus 12y. First bracket done. The second bracket is minus 2 times 3x minus 6x minus 2 times plus y minus 2y. Then collect the like terms. 8x minus 6y, 6x. Then y terms minus 12y minus 2y. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2x. 12 plus 2y. The reason is both are same sign at the numbers, minus 14y. 2x minus 14y is the answer. Only 2 marks. So if the final answer is wrong, you will get 1 mark for correct expanding of brackets, this part. If all these terms are correct with the sign, you will get 1. The other mark is for the working, the final answer. Question number 5. Lisa sees a dress in a sale. The normal price of the dress is $45. The price of the dress is reduced by 12% in the sale. So it's like a discount, no? Price has reduced. So answer should be less than 45. So we can find discount amount first. Then after discount, the price of the dress. $45 minus this discount. This is one method. Or we can do this at straight using this formula. I will write X for the amount times 100 plus O minus percentage over 100. If we plus this percentage, it means the answer should be more than the given value. This is 45 now. If we add the percentage, answer is more than 45. They are type percentage increase problems like the profit, VAT added, salary increase, those kind of gain, those kind of questions, we add the percentage. If it's a discount, loss, like that, we subtract the percentage. Then we use only minus. So if it is percentage increase question, select only plus mark and write the formula 100 plus percentage, add the percentage. If it's a problem with percentage decrease, subtract the percentage. So using that, we can get the answer at once. Now amount is 45 times 100 reduced by 12%. So this is percentage decrease question. Answer should be less than 45. Then minus 45, minus 12, percentage is 12 over 100. So you can enter this into the cal at once. We can make this also like this way also. 100 minus 12 is 88 over 100. 45 into 0.88. $39.6. 39.6. Since this is currency, add a 0. 39.60. If we do it separately, find the discount first. 45 times 12 over 100. 45 into 12 over 100. 5.4. If it's increased thing, add it to the price. Since this is decreased one, we have to subtract. 45 minus 5.4. 39.6. Practice to do at once, then it's easy. Only you need to remember this formula and identify the question or the problem, whether it is increase problem or decrease problem. Next one, Lisa's weekly pay increase from 525 to 546. Calculate her pay increase. Increased amount over the initial value. So her salary is now 446. It was 525 over divided by the previous salary times it by 100. Then enter this into the calculator and see 546 minus 525 over 525 times 100. 4%. Answer is 4. 3 marks. You can do this separately. First find the difference. 546 minus 525. Then the next step can write that difference over 525 times 100. 2 steps also can. Sorry. 546 minus 525. 21. Then 21 over 525 times 100. Next one, x is an integer such that find the greatest possible value of x. Inequalities lesson. So just consider like an equation. Remove the bracket first. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6x. 25 minus 2x. Then collect all the x terms into one side. When you are collecting, try to make that x term positive and collect all into one side. Now I'm going to take it to other side. Then it will become plus, no? 25 minus 2x plus 6x. Then move the numbers to other side. Minus 2x plus 6x is different sign, subtract sign of the bigger number. This side it's minus. Divide both sides by 4. Then x is greater than minus 23 over 4. 5.75 minus 5.75. Not greater than, it is less than. X is less than minus 5.75. But question is mentioned here, it's an integer. So find the greatest possible value. So if I draw this and mark it on a number line, this is minus 5.75. Minus 5 is this side. And minus 6 is here. After that, minus 7, it goes this way. And no equal mark, don't color the circle. Less than side. So the first integer it meets is minus 6. That's the greatest value. Not minus 7. Or it's not minus 5 because it should be less than minus 7.5. Minus 5 is greater than. So answer is minus 6. You don't get that 3 marks if your answer is minus 5.75. Seventh question. ABCD is a parallelogram. EDFC is a straight line. Write down the size of X. Parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel and they are equal. When we are finding angles, we don't want to know whether they are equal or not, but we need these parallel lines. Now we'll write what is X. So you can see this alternate angles are there here. Shape is Z. They are alternate angles. Alternate angles are equal. X is equal to 67 degrees. So answer is 67. Give a reason for your answer. Alternate angles are equal. Or you can write EDA angle and X alternate angles. These are the two alternate angles. EF and AB parallel. Therefore, EDA and X are alternate angles. Like that. They only check this alternate angles word. So, for writing reasons, 1 mark. Writing the angle as 67, 1 mark. Work out the size of the angle Y. This is 67. Work out the angle Y. Y is here. And in a parallelogram, we know that opposite angles equal. So if this is 67, this also 67. Then another one, since this EDFC is a line, if this side is 120, this is 60 degrees. Now we can find what is Y. These are interior angles of a triangle. Consider the triangle BCF. Y plus 60 plus 67 equal to 180. Reason, interior angles of a triangle. Then find what is Y. (180) minus 60 plus 67. 53 degrees. Practice to write with the reasons whether they ask or not. Graph question. Straight line graph. On the grid, draw y equal x line and y equals 4 minus 2x for values from minus 1 to 3. I will make this small. Y equal 1. Straight line. For all the x coordinates, y value is 1. Then y equals 4 minus 2x. Intercept is 4. We'll find one more point when x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 point is the intercept. Now when y is equal to 0, 4 minus 2x. 4 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 2. We need minimum of 2 points to draw a line. When x is equal to 2, y coordinate is 0. This is the line, label it y equal minus 2x. Write the coordinates of the points where this graph crosses y equal 1 line. So both are meeting at here. Coordinates of this point. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. This line. This is not y equal 1, it's x equal 1. Y equal 1 is for all x values, y coordinate is 1 here. Then intersection point comes this way. Coordinates, x coordinate is 1.5, 1.5 or 1.5. Y coordinate is 1. .5 and 1. 1 mark for writing the coordinates, 4 marks for the graph. Gianali went, no? Yeah, it's correct. Next one, ratio question. In year 11 at a school, the ratio of the number of pupils who do physics and chemistry. The first part is here. A school has 840 pupils and 40 teachers. Find the ratio pupils to teachers. 840 is to 40. Then we can keep on simplifying this. Can divide by 10. 84 is to 4. Then both are divisible by 4. 21 is to 1. Answer is 21 is to 1. If you don't simplify it, you don't get full marks. 1 is given. So write in the form n is to 1. Second term is 1. First term is then 21. Fill the blank with 21. In year 11, the ratio of number of pupils who do chemistry to the number of pupils do physics is 3:2. 105 pupils in year 11 do chemistry. Work out the number of year 11s who do physics. Chemistry is to physics. 3:2. Chemistry is 11. How many are doing physics? So one method is we can write this as an equation 3/11 equal 2/x cross multiply it's not 11, no, 11 is the grade. 105 students. After that, cross multiply 3 into x, 3x, 2 into 105. Then multiply both, multiply by 2, divide it by 3. X is equal 2 times 105 over 3. $70 pupils doing physics. X is equal to 70. Next part of the question. For the 105 pupils who study chemistry, the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls. Boys to number of girls is 4:3. Work out the number of girls in year 11 who study chemistry. So this ratio also given for chemistry. This is 105. Same method. 4 over 105 equals 3 over x. Then cross multiply. 4x equals 3 into 105. 3 into 105 divided by 4. Give me a second. This 105 is not boys, the total number of pupils. Total is 105. Then add these two ratios. This is 7. Out of 7, 4 are boys. Out of 7, 3 are girls. Find only girls, no? So multiply 3 over 7 by 105. If we want to find boys, multiply it by 105. This is the total, 105. Three over 7 times 105. 45 girls. If we need to find boys, 4 over 7 times 105. 60. Or 105 minus 45 also correct. When the total is given, add the two ratios, write it as a fraction out of total, times it by the total given. 4 over 7 times 105. In previous question, they have given one of the terms and asked to find the other one. So can write them as equations. Now in this one, total number of students given. So you should find the total of the ratios also. 4 plus 3 is 7. Write as fractions and calculate. Question number 10, LCM and HCF. So this has given as product of prime factors. Find the HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor means find the common ones. 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 2 is common. Here 1 is extra, no? 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3. Go for the lowest and the common. 5 is common, but 7 is not common. Don't write 7. It's not a common factor. Then expand it. No need to expand. Give you answer as a product. So I can write 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 as a product. Find the LCM. LCM, select the highest powers. 2 to the powers, highest one is this, 2 to the power 3. 3 to the powers, highest one is 3 to the power 4. 5 to the powers 1, then 7 to the powers 1. 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times 3 times 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. HCF from the common factors, lowest power. LCM from all the factors, highest ones. Not the common, all. Everything. 2, 3, 5, 7. 11th question from sets. Universal set is whole numbers. If I write them as a list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, it goes till infinity. They haven't given us a range. Then set A is factors of 100. 1, 2, we can divide 100 by 2, 5, 10, 20, can divide by 50 and 100. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, like that it goes till infinity. List out the members of A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements in A and B. So multiples of 5 and factors of 100. Multiples of 5. 5 is there. 10, 20, 25 also coming as a factor here. So 25 also common. 50 is coming. 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Write all the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Linaya, are you writing?
Yes, teacher.
So this question is 2-mark question. If one number is missing, you get only 1 mark. If 2 numbers are missing, 0 marks. All are in 2 marks. 1 is missing, 1 mark. After that, 0. Twelfth question, 3 numbers have mean is 17, median is 20, range is 27. Find these 3 numbers. So can write equations for each. There are 3 numbers. I can take them as x, y and z. Mean means the average. X plus y plus z divide by 3. Number of numbers. So that's equal to 70. X plus y plus z. I am going to take this 3 to other side. It goes as multiplication. 17 times 3. There are 3 unknowns. So I need 3 equations. 17 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 51. Median is 20. So since there are 3 numbers, the middle value. This is the middle value. No? Middle value is 20. Y is equal to 20. If y is 20, then again I can make this equation. First one, x plus 20 plus z is equal 51. So x plus z is 51 minus 20. 31. Third equation, range. Think these numbers are in order now. X is the smallest one. Middle number is y, that is 20. Biggest number is z. Range is highest minus lowest equal 27. This is the third equation. Now, simultaneous equations. Here, x plus z equal 31. Z minus x equal 27. Xn minus x equal, and they are different signs. So we'll add these 2 equations. This is second one, this is third one. Second equation plus third equation. X and x get cancelled. 2z equal 31 plus 27. Divide both sides by 2. 29. Then can use second equation and find x. X plus 29 equals 31. X is equal 31 minus 29. X is equal to 2. So the three numbers are 2, 20 and 31. Not 31. 29. These are the three numbers. Answer is this. Thirteenth one. Linaya, what is the answer? Did you do?
Oh, teacher, not this one. This is the one that I couldn't do.
So this is a right angle triangle. Calculate the length of the HJ. So for right angle triangles, we have that Pythagoras theorem and we have those sine cosine ratios. So they haven't asked anything about angles and they haven't given us any angles. So no point of doing sine cosine. We can use Pythagoras theorem. Use the Pythagoras theorem and find it. Can you do it now? This is 90.
Yes, teacher can.
This is the hypotenuse. So square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. If I label HJ as X, find it quickly.
Teacher, Teacher, KH is the adjacent or the opposite?
KH. We don't use sine cos tan. So now we don't want to know what is adjacent or what is opposite. If there is any angle here, then opposite to that is opposite and other side considered as adjacent side.
Okay.
Now we don't mark any angle. So we only want hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem. Kj is the hypotenuse squared equal kh squared plus hj squared. Then substitute the numbers.
Teacher, I found the answer.
Yes, tell me.
Is it 11.09?
Yes, 11.0995. It goes like that. Correct it to 3 significant figures and write. 3 figures, not 4. First figure, second figure, third figure. Separate from here. After the line, it's 9. So we need to add 1. X is equal to 11.1 centimeters. If they ask to find only a side of a right angle triangle, see whether they have given the other two sides. If they have given the other two sides, so can use Pythagoras theorem. If we can't apply Pythagoras theorem, check for sine, cos and tan. Lina, is it okay?
Yes, teacher.
So that's all for the paper. Since we have time, I can give two more questions to do now. Last week we discussed about circle theorems. So this is from circle theorems. P, Q, R and S points are on the circle and two angles have given. So they need us to find the angle PSR. Find it quickly. Linaya, can you tell me the answer?
Okay, teacher.
So what is the angle PSR?
For S, I got 102.
Reason?
Angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, like the two opposite angles are equal.
Yes, opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So write the reason in correct way. The second part, they are asking the reason. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. Then part B, work out the size of the angle PSQ. Find that also. PSQ. So you need to join S and Q. Now you know this whole angle is 102. Then you join S and Q. After that, find PSQ angle, this one. Give it a try. Did you find the answer? Linaya,
Yes, teacher.
did you find the answer for PSQ?
I'm still finding it.
So check the theorems we learnt. Angles in the same arc, angles in a semicircle, angles at the center, and the angles in the circumference thing. Then opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle.
Found S, right? We found S, right?
We found, not S means PSR we found. PSR, this angle we found. That is 102, big angle. No? Then PSQ means start from P, go to S, and ends at Q. This part. It is less than 102. So the angle we found earlier, it has divided into two parts here. This is this green color one part, the blue color one another part, divided into two parts, but we don't know whether they are equal or not. So if we can find this green color one, we can find what is blue color one. Subtract it, 102 minus that green color angle. That is this blue color one. How do we find that green color angle? That first theorem related to circles. See this arc?
Angles angles in the same segment.
Yes, same, not segment or same arc. Yes, same segment. Here this is the segment, no? In this segment, this is comes to here to the circumference, this green color angle. And the same point, another angle is there. That is 62. So this angle also 62. Green color angles are equal angles in the same segment. Now can't we find this blue color one? Total angle is 102.
That angle 40.
102 minus 62. Is it just 40?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. 10 minus 6 is 40. PSQ is 40 degrees. So you can mark it on the diagram like this. Workings. But practice to write the reasons. So first, these two are equals. The reason is angles in the same segment. Therefore, we subtract it like this and obtain the answer as 40. This one we did. This is easy. This one, last one. Solve and find what is x. These are fractions. Denominators are 7 and 5. So first simplify the left hand side. Right hand side, keep it as it is. This 6 over 5. So 7 and 5, what is the common denominator? Here, Nali. Sorry. Linaya.
Yes, teacher.
So could you able to do this one?
Teacher, I did not understand that question.
So these are like the normal fractions. If it's 3 over 7 minus 2 over 5. Forget about the right hand side. So what we do is we need to get the common denominator. 7 and 5, what is the common denominator?
Seven and 5, teacher, is it 35?
Yes, 35. So here also common denominator 35. Then to make 35, 7 should multiply by what?
5.
5.
2 must be multiplied by 7.
7. So we do the same thing here. In here, the numerator is 6x minus 3. No? So entire thing I put inside of a bracket. Then it's easy for me to multiply. If not, I will forget to multiply this 3. No? Only I will multiply 6. So this is 5 times 6x minus 3. Other one,
38.
other fraction, 7 times 2x minus 3. Then we can expand it, no? Remove the bracket.
30x minus 15
Second bracket.
minus 14x plus 21.
Plus 21. Then simplify the like terms in the numerator.
16x teacher 16x plus
Yes.
6
Plus 6. 6 over 5. Then cross multiply it. 16x plus 6 times 5 equal 6 times 35. Then I can divide both sides by 5 since this is 5 times. 5 and 5 get cancelled. 16x plus 6 equal 5 times 1. This is 5 times 7. 6 times 7, no, 7 times 6 is 42. Then take this 6 to other side. 16x is equal 42 minus 6. Then 12 minus 6 is 6. 36. Divide both sides by 16. This is 9. This is 4. 9 over 4. If we write it as a fraction, 2, 1 over 4. If we write it as a decimal, 2.25. Same like fractions. Do the left side. Then after that here, cross multiply it. Now do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, write it down. Have you done that arithmetic sequence part, sequence lesson? Have you studied this formula Sn equals n over 2?
Yeah.
This is done. Okay. How was the exam? Easy or difficult?
The first paper was easy, but the second paper was hard.
Still you are having exams or finished?
Finished. Yesterday it was finished.
Hmm.
Yesterday only we had the second maths paper.
Second paper.
The second paper was hard, teacher, more than the first paper.
Okay, if you can share it, I can send you the answers.
Teacher, I'll try to take the soft copy and I'll send it to you.
You don't have it with you, no? They will put it into the link after you are getting the marks, no? Now they don't put.
Yeah. But teacher, I can ask my maths if you want.
If you can, send it.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, I wrote the questions.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
we'll finish the class.
Did the others leave?
3 went field trip.
Ah.
They are having field trip. Then Vidudha, she is having another class, so she left early. Yenali sent me the answers. No, I marked it. Do you have any doubts or questions to ask?
No, teacher.
Then we'll finish the class. If you have any questions, you can send me a message. That
Okay,
means
teacher.
any questions in papers, if you want to do like that. Or
Okay,
any
teacher.
lessons to cover.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, then good night.
Good night, teacher. Thank you, teacher. God bless you, teacher.
Okay, good.